Wim, you know what a good password is?
1, 2, 3, 4. No. I mean my birth date.
We need to do a better job of protecting ourselves.
How can you know that your password is strong enough, for instance?
There is a very useful website for this. The most important thing about a password, it has to be long.
Also in the chat, you can find all the links to relevant tools, websites that we will share.
You have to treat your password like you treat your underpants. So you have to change them regularly, keep them hidden. You don't have to share them with anybody.
Yes, thumbs up. Thumbs up for Pia. I never seen so many thumbs up in my whole career as a professional webinarist.
So multi-factor authentication, MFA, it adds a layer of security to the authentication process.
2 underpants.
Yeah, just in case.
Besides jokes, we also have some serious business during this webinar, right?
So what's the solution? The solution is a password manager.
A good option here would probably be to have a backup. Change the Wi-Fi password. You will definitely regret it if you lose your accounts or if you lose financial information or personal information.
Why wouldn't you do that, Wim?
Yeah.
I'll definitely look into it after the webinar.